Good evening, everyone. Hope this video finds you great. Hope this video finds you well. We're going to get back into the YouTube Moolah Portfolio. So thanks for joining Matt Monday today. For those of you who have not ever been on the channel before, the YouTube Moolah Portfolio is the money I've made through YouTube. You guys basically viewing the videos and getting ad money. So I've made about $1,900, almost $2,000 to date. And from that, I've invested that into the YouTube Moolah Portfolio. Generally what I do is I will invest into ETFs trying to track the market, but over the past couple weeks I've had basically trying to understand or trying to interact with you guys a little bit more through the comment section, and also just trying to see where your guys' head is at. So I've had a little bit of change of heart, and what I have decided to do now is have you guys choose the stocks that I'm investing in within this portion of the portfolio. No, you will not have access to the whole $350,000, just the money that I get through my YouTube Moolah account, which is still $2,000 or so. So, and also depending on how the videos do, it can grow with time. So what I'm basically trying to do is get you guys to submit and smash that like button for 250 likes. And once every video hits 250 likes, or maybe I'll change it throughout time, but every time I'll basically choose the first 10 people to put a ticker symbol into a comment section on each video. I will make a community post where I basically have a poll for you guys to answer. So say for instance you guys choose like GE, Tesla, BP, Shell, Exxon, 3M, Johnson & Johnson. What I will basically do in the comment section down below is grab those, the first 10 that I see, put in a community post, and submit it for you guys to poll on. So the first 10 that I see will be the ones that I choose and put in the poll, and then you guys will be able to vote. And after a couple days or so, I'll probably put a date at which I will end the poll for you guys to know who the winner is. Then I'll make a video of it. Now, to put a little, not disclaimer, but a little bit of rules on it, obviously I'm not going to be able to purchase Berkshire Hathaway A shares or anything like that. So what I'm thinking is being able to purchase $250 to $500 worth of stock. Now at the moment you guys may see that I currently have ETFs in here from, say, iShares, S&P 500, Total Stock Market Fund, Small Cap, and this is kind of my way to try to transition away from individual stock picking and kind of strictly just be on a ETF long term, kind of say like, hey, this is what your portfolio would look like if you just invested in the S&P 500 consistently, $100 or so every month, depending on what I get from YouTube. But I think that interacting with you guys would be a little bit cooler. So even though the sacrifice of earning long-term gains might be a short-term impact, I think in the long run it'll lead to more interaction with you guys, which will lead to more views, which isn't really the purpose of trying to get more money or anything like that, but more views so that way we can interact more and you guys feel more connected to the channel. That's really the reason why, and also gives us an opportunity to ask more questions and discuss why we chose certain stocks or what have you. So anyway, really hope this video finds you great. Hope it finds you well. I think it's a really cool idea. I've seen some other folks do it, like JJ Buckner, where they ask you guys what stock they should buy. But like I said, disclaimer, can't buy Berkshire Hathaway A-class shares. Just unfortunately can't do that. But if you want to be like, hey, B-class shares, even if it's a non-dividend paying stock, I'm into it. That means like Tesla, Google, maybe not Google because they're, over $1,000 or so, but if enough of you guys suggest it, maybe I'll do it, because I could technically buy close to 2 shares of Google with this. But yeah, just give it a thought. If this video gets 250 likes within the next couple days, I'll be sure to write the poll up, and if you guys are interested, write down the comment section down below what your ticker symbol would be. I'd be choosing from this video, so 250 likes and comments from this video. And every video from now on, if it hits 250 likes, the first 10 ticker symbols that I get down below in every video that I make will be on the list. So really hope this video finds you great. Hope you finds you well. We'll have to evolve this through time because it's still relatively in its infancy. So I'll probably wait to hold off on selling these things until we actually get 250 likes on this. I don't want to have to sell and have money just sitting in the account if I don't get 250 likes. So anyway, enough about likes, and back to the video. I was going to do a Shopify video, and other than that, I'll cut this really quick to talk about, you know, the recent Shopify store that I made and everything like that. But I thought that this was a little bit more important. It gets me a little bit more connected to you guys. And the Shopify store is kind of a filler video. There's really no ending or you know, anything like that. This is more of a series, and kicking this off, I thought for the channel would be a little bit more important. So thanks for stopping by the channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Really hope to see you guys in the comment section down below letting me know what stock I should be buying in the YouTube Moolah portfolio. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers.